He got wet down like a coochie. Some my souls like the ones from movie.
Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with OFB double L's. So you call him double L's or double LZ? Double L's, I said double L's. Plug in with Fumez, Fumez engineer, big up yourself, Pressplay, big up on yourself, Fumez, big up yourself, and G. See how do your thing, you see me? Yeah, man, G. So, we're gonna jump into that one here and see what I go on, pan what I go on. You know what I mean? So let's go, let's get it!
Aye. Plugged in with Fumez engineer. Oh, you know the vibes. Gunshot.
Oh, where? No way! Clap!
Yeah, trust me.
Yeah, what up? Press the wrong button, dog.
Aye.
Let's go again. I press the wrong button. I meant to press this one.
Oh, you know the vibes.
Oh, where? No way!
Gunshot behind you, boy.
And the boy! Bamba clap.
Trust me. You know the vibes.
He got sat down like a primary assembly. Energy. Bro beat corn the enemies. He could have got spawn in the memories.
What on, man? He got sat down like a primary assembly. That's how when you're school. That's how when you're school and tell us, sit down. Sit down. It's primary. You know, you have to sit down.
Yeah, trust me. You know the vibes.
He got sat down like a primary assembly. Energy. Bro beat corn the enemies. He could have got spawn in the memories. Hella G spilled like Hennessy. I slapped at a man and he ran, tried to get head top like JF Kennedy. Definitely.
Him try to get him head top like a him slap at a man and him run. Him try to get him head top like JF Kennedy. Assassination, president, JF Kennedy, assassination, headshot, one shot to the brain, drop, blood leak, Panamanian. Alright, so bars! Let's go.
One of them soon go cemetery. Should've knew his life is in jeopardy. I wet down for the on diver. I got 2 in 1, that was light work. Get away clean with a left and a right.
Ooh, chill. Break it down. Go easy, player. Yeah, go so far, man. Chill out.
He ran, try to get head top like JF Kennedy. Definitely. One of them soon go cemetery. Should've knew his life is in jeopardy. I wet down for the on diver. I got 2 in 1, that was light work. Get away clean with a left and a right turn. Wouldn't know it's me that trimmed off his sideburns. Might ying that down, we spin back round, both fling that out, trying to lick man down. Heard he got a voice, better sit back down. Well, he ain't got a choice and the big bangs out. Man circle around like an analog stick. Try to get head top, but man I loved it.
Man circle around like an analog stick. Try to get the head top, but man. It's violent. It is violent.
Die, fam, I lost it. Jump out, till your brother don't slip. More racks on my age, more yaks on my case. Had to tell a bad one, leave me alone. Cause you don't contribute to my peas on the road. I told her it's me on my own. I like a zam when the caliber bangs. If you're chilling at block, you're dead.
I like a zam when the caliber bang. If you're chilling on the block, you're dead. Not D-E-A-D, no. D-E-D, dead. If you're chilling on the block when the caliber bangs, you are dead.
I go mad on a man if he hangs with the gang and he don't wanna slide or step. There's a word going round.
Oh, wait.
Fuck, you're dead. I go mad on a man if he hangs with the gang and he don't wanna slide or step. There's a word.
You get mad with the gang. Basically, if somebody in the gang and them now want to go up on any apps or ride out with them, basically, yo, brother, you're not fit for there in the gang. So move along, go cut it. You're not built for this. You're not built for the street. That's why they make sidewalk. Stay up on the sidewalk, my G. You're not bad.
Word going round town, you'll stay in your house, don't hang in them ends. You ain't done jewels, just relax. If Bogle jumps out, then it's kill us. Wash your bells on the shot, you both separate. Both flew out the ride, tryna relegate. We ain't coming for a fight like MMA. 3 step on the gas, love accelerate. Your friend got left you devastated. Carbine and metal blades might be on 2 balls and pedal weight, so it was back and forth on several days. My broski said on my cycle the way I hopped out, wet that like Lido. Choppies, one in his me, I don't know. Had the drill on that iPhone. You never flew out the ride like 5-0 live, we gonna get back like Shiro. Trying all the teeth come big like Rhino, skanking beat.
We're gonna get back like Shiro. Shiro the movie. Big up Rapman, Shiro the movie. Shall get back up?
Tout wet that like Lido. Choppies, one in his. Me, I don't know. How did drill on that iPhone? You never flew out the ride like 5-0. Live, we gonna get back like Shiro. Trying the teeth come big like Rhino. Skanking beats on the block like a side hole.
They think the teeth them come big like Rhino. They shot them in my top big like Rhino. So you know, see, it's a blood clash that you get in the youth. Shot big like Rhino, you're dead in that day.
What's your gang two-step like who's next? 2 sex, spin this round like a roulette. Shotgun box, give a fuck by your 2 pence. Broski flew out and try leave a youth dead. I've been on it like 100 times, they told like 100 lies. If I hear there's a glide and I jump inside, bro, thump it twice, break Dunsi's life. Pedal.
Oh, we are nowhere. Oh, we are nowhere, dog.
Box, give a fuck by your 2 pence. Broski flew out and try leave a youth dead. I've been on it like 100 times, they told like 100 lies. If I hear there's a glide and I jump inside, bro, thump it twice, break Dunsi's life. Pedal back glides to the with Brucey. You got wet down like a coochie. Some rifles like the ones from movie. They told like 100 lies. If I hear there's a glide and I jump inside, bro, thump it twice, break Dunsi's life. Pedal back glides to the with Brucey. You got wet down like a coochie. Some rifles like the ones from movie.
Oh, pedal bike. Oh my god. Man say get wet down like a coochie. Man say get wet up like a pussy. Hey? Pussy. When that thing you beat, brother, when it touch in a blood a fall down your body, you get wet like a coochie, like a girl coochie when she see a man where she like, she get turned on. So our coochie start. Alright, carry on.
If it's juicy, I swear so. Creep up quiet, we ain't shouting out who's he. Broad day duty, so don't move snoozy. Dookie flew out the hoopty bookie, tryna slap man with his cutie. I ran down, reverse up the thing, don't right where they're chilling. I ran down, son, I ran down when he ran to the flats. I ran down, he really got that, should've got it like 3-4 times in his. You really caught life, man, it ain't just rap, I really brought guys. Pressing 9 3 times, I call no Babylon, you're gonna see a man with his belly on. Hello talk, we just tell them carry on, bro, jumped out tryna bang it on. Rules on the block, could've called out my block, why not? Ride out, shave man's high top. Why not? Switch man's lights on.
Fumez, the engineer.
Wait, man.
You never flew out the ride like 5-0.
Wait, man, wait.
You're gonna get back like Shiro. Trying the teeth come big like Rhino. Skanking beats on the block like a side hole. Watch your gang 2-step like who's next? 2 sex, spin this round like a roulette. Shotgun box, give a fuck by your 2 pence. Broski flew out and try leave a youth dead. I've been on it like 100 times, they told like 100 lies. If I hear there's a glide and I jump inside, bro, thump it twice, break Dunsi's life. Pedal back glides to the with Brucey. You got wet down like a coochie. Some rifles like the ones from movies. Juicy, I swear so. Creep up quiet, we ain't shouting out who's he. Broad day duty, so don't move snoozy. Dookie flew out the hoopty bookie, tryna slap man with his cutie. I ran down, reverse up the thing, don't right where they're chilling. I ran down, son, I ran down when he ran to the flats. I ran down, he really got that, should've got it like 3-4 times in his. You really caught life, man, it ain't just rap, I really brought guys. Pressing 9 3 times, I call no Babylon, you're gonna see a man with his belly on. Hello talk, we just tell them carry on, bro, jumped out tryna bang it on. Rules on the block, could've called out my block, why not? Ride out, shave man's high top. Why not? Switch man's lights on.
Cold. Not pool. Freezer. Cool.